Right, we're looking at similarity for two similar shapes. In this case, they're triangles. We're looking to find the size of x. Right. The image is not drawn to scale, but we know they're similar because we've been told it. And the first step is just going to be finding the scale factor from the smaller shape to the bigger shape. Okay. So before we start, we have to identify which is the smaller, which is the bigger. With the left-hand side one is the smaller shape, the one on the right is the bigger. Yeah. So the scale factor is going to be the bigger side divided by the smaller side. And that's important that we have information for the same side on both shapes. Okay. So if we look at these two shapes, it's the bottom length that we have, and the bottom length is the ones that we can use to make the comparison. So it's going to be 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So the scale factor from the smaller shape to the bigger shape is 2. Okay, again, this only works when we identify the same side on both shapes, right? Otherwise it won't work. Then we've got to enlarge the smaller length now to work out what x is. So I'm going to write the sum down, which is what you should be doing. You should be showing full workings out. So it's going to be 7 times by the scale factor, which is 2. Alright, so that's the second step. And then the last step is obviously to write the answer clearly. Yeah, again, we split these up so that in exams we are making sure we are improving our chances of getting all the marks. Yeah, so if we look here, 7 times by 2, because that's the scale factor, is 14. Now just to double check that this is correct, we're going to do 5 times by 2, which is 10. So the answer is going to be right. Okay. Again, just making sure that you're identifying the same side on both shapes and you're finding the scale factor always bigger, the bigger length divided by